Are you a good health geek? Let's find out. Did you know there are two ways to get vitamin A? Provitamin A and preformed vitamin A. Beta-carotene is a provitamin. This means it's used for your body to make vitamin A. Precursors to vitamin A, also known as provitamin A, are found in plant-based foods such as fruits and vegetables. Vitamin A from animal sources is called preformed vitamin A. This means it's in a form your body can use directly, unlike provitamin A, which has to be processed by the body to become another form of retinol. Vitamin A is a fat-soluble nutrient, important to vision, growth, cell division and reproduction, skin health, and disease immunity. It also has powerful antioxidant properties. Most dietary provitamin A in the U.S. diet comes from leafy greens, vegetables, orange and yellow vegetables, tomato products, fruits, and some vegetable oils. Preformed vitamin A is found strictly in animal products such as meat, liver, fish, poultry, eggs, and dairy foods. Now pay attention, because this is the part where you become an official good health geek. You can get it. It's just simple science and nature. Beta-carotene has two bion rings that are attached by a polyprenoid chain. That chain is chemically cleaved by an enzyme called dioxygenase in the intestines, and this results in two all-trans retinol chains, which are converted by the body into three different forms: retinol, retinol, and retinoic acid. It is then absorbed in the fat cells and released to the liver, where it's stored as a retinol ester. From there, it's distributed to the eyes, skin, and bones. So there you go, geeks. Now you have the science. Now for a few important points. Preformed vitamin A is only found in animal products. This form of vitamin A is better digested and absorbed by the body, and it doesn't require the synthesis that the beta-carotene form requires. In the eyes, retinol is essential for vision. It's particularly important to prevent night blindness, light sensitivity, and diseases of the eye. In its retinol and retinoic acid form, it stimulates tissue regeneration and repair, heals severe acne blemishes, skin ulcers, and it's been shown to prevent and reverse wrinkles and signs of aging. Vitamin A, retinol, and retinoic acids are essential for the development of the central nervous system. This is where they control neurogenesis and neuronal patterning, but also plays a key role in the maintenance of diverse functions of the adult brain by regulating neuroplasticity in cerebral structures like the hippocampus. Researchers at the Salk Institute for Biological Studies have discovered that vitamin A promotes learning, and they've provided the first evidence that vitamin A affects brain cell activity in a region of the brain linked to learning and memory. Proper doses of vitamin A are essential, and the best sources for vitamin A are in foods like beef, liver, fish oils, milk, eggs, and dairy products. The best sources for beta-carotene are foods like leafy green vegetables, kale, spinach, broccoli, orange and yellow vegetables, carrots, sweet potatoes, pumpkin, and other winter squash, summer squash, tomatoes, red bell peppers, cantaloupes, mango, just to name a few. So now you're a geek like me, and you have all the facts about vitamin A. Here's your vitamin A geek badge. You can take a screenshot and share it with your friends. But remember, to be a good health geek, you have to use these facts and knowledge to better your health and live a healthier life. If you're a good health geek, let me know in the comments section below, or give me a like. I'm always happy to welcome another geek to the group. Thanks for watching. Be well.